Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to make number 6 or number 9. Depends how you want to look into it. The size of this finished number is approximately 2 inches or 5 centimeters, and that's how it looks after it's being attached to your project or my project. For this number we're going to use double knit yarn, 3mm crochet hook and scissors. So we're going to start with chain of 20 stitches. Let's do our chain of 20 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We have our chain of 20 stitches. We're going to start from second stitch, and our first step will be single crochet in the next stitch. For next 4 stitches we're going to increase in each stitch, so we're going to have 4 increases. Increase 1, increase 2, increase 3, and increase 4. We did our 4 increases, and that's how our number looks now. Our next step will be single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Now we have 11 stitches remaining till the end of our row. In next 10 stitches we need to do increase, so it will be 10 increases in total. Increase 1, increase 2, increase 3, increase 4, increase 5, increase 6, increase 7, increase 8, increase 9, increase 10. We did 10 increases, and now we only have 1 stitch remaining, where we're going to do only 1 single crochet in that last stitch. And that's our number is complete. Looks very curly, but if you put it together it looks like number 6 or number 9, depends how you wanna use it. Now I'm going to cut a yarn off. I'm gonna leave quite long tail for sewing. Gonna pull this yarn through my last stitch, and our number 6 is complete. Our number 6 or our number 9 is complete and left to be attached to your project. Thank you for watching this short and sweet video tutorial on how to make number 6 or number 9. If you want to find video tutorials on how to make more numbers, numbers from 0 to 9, please check in the description below. In the description below as well you can find a link to my blog. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. See you in my next videos.